In this face paint tutorial, Eva is going to show us how you can create this lovely lightning effect on your skin. So if you want to know how, please keep watching. To make it easier to get the paint from the skin once all the makeup is done, Eva puts a bit of Derma Shield on her skin. So this is a foam, you just put it on the skin, leave it for 5 minutes and then you are good to go and start painting. And the first layer of paint is by Superstar. This color is called Teal, and with that Eva just creates the entire base of the makeup. Once that is on there, we continue to the eyes because of course we do want an eyeshadow. So the colors used are in the Rainbow palette by Ben Nye. The first color is blue and the second color is black. Once those eyes are nice and beautiful, we continue to white. So this white is by Diamond FX. It is the Essential White, and Eva uses it to create the shapes of that lightning. So there is a big line going from the forehead down to the chin, but there are also all those little separations that you can see when you look at lightning in the sky. Now the lightning is on the skin, it is time for some shadow. So Eva is using a powder brush and the pink eyeshadow that is in that Rainbow palette by Ben Nye. So you basically just want to put a shadow around all of those white lines to kind of intensify them on the skin. And she is working with the pink eyeshadow at this moment and just creating the shadow around all of that lightning, but there is also some dark blue in the center of the face to really intensify that lightning. So a lightning should be yellow, and that is why Eva is putting soft yellow, that is color number 144 by Superstar, over that lightning. So just retrace your steps and make all of those white lines yellow. And once you are completely happy with your lightning, it is time to accessorize with a lovely wig. And once you have that, it is all done. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to stay tuned on all our videos.